Today's yoga sequence is for those with low blood pressure. Of course, you can practice this even if you don't have low blood pressure, but it's especially for those. So find comfortable seated position on your mat. Try to keep your chest open, back straight and long. You can sit cross-legged. Place your palms onto your knees and close your eyes for a little while. And then find your breath. Let it guide you to the practice today. Feel how it feels to breathe today. Is it the first time today that you are paying attention to your breath? Try to fill your lungs completely and empty them completely. Remember that you don't need to rush anywhere. Just be here now and breathe. And throughout the practice today, try to keep your breath like it is right now. Inhalations and exhalations equal in length. And then you can lift yourself up to standing. Inhaling your arms up above your head and exhale, come to your forward fold. Place your palms on the side of your feet. You can bend your knees a little if you want, if your hamstrings are tight, or if you just feel more comfortable that way. You can grab hold of your opposite elbows and just enjoy the forward fold. Filling your lungs completely and emptying them completely. Also observing how your breath is affecting your pose, how it feels when you are inhaling and how it feels when you are exhaling. We have two more breaths here. And then again you can place your palms on the side of your feet and step back to your downward facing dog. Keep in mind that the outer edge of your foot is on the same line as the outer edge of your mat. Your thighs are engaged, your tail is pointing toward the ceiling, your back is straight and long, your belly button in and up, and have that feeling that you are kind of turning your armpits toward your mat. And place your fingers firmly onto your mat. And then land onto your breath. Also feel how the breath is moving your body. We have two more breaths here. And after your next exhalation, you can bring your knees onto your mat. Sit onto your heels and place your forehead onto your mat. You can have your arms above your head, or you can bring them on the side of your legs. Just relax here for a little while. Feel the stretch on your back. And again, how your breathing or your breath is moving your body. Still remember to keep your inhalations and your exhalations equal in length. Two more breaths here. Then you can come and lie on your back, bend your knees and hug them in toward your chest. Try to place both of your shoulder blades onto your mat. Relax your head, your shoulders, and just enjoy this pose. Breathing in fully, breathing out fully, and keep in mind that if your mind is wandering somewhere else outside of your mat, bring it gently, or your thoughts, bring them gently onto your breathing, into this moment. Your breath is always the key to this present moment. Two more breaths here. Then you can release your legs and lift your legs up and bring them above your head to the floor. Bring your hands onto your lower back. Bring your elbows a little bit closer to each other, and then lift your feet toward the ceiling. So you are on your shoulder stand, and keep in mind that this is the place where you shouldn't move your head from side to side. So try to keep your eyes on the ceiling or onto your feet. Maybe you want to keep your eyes closed, but keep in mind that your face is pointing towards the ceiling. And try to find the relaxation on your breath here as well. Breathing in fully and breathing out fully. After next exhalation, you can bring your feet to the ground above your head, bring your palms onto your mat, and then slowly and mindfully place your feet onto your mat. Then bring your palms under your bum, lift yourself up so you are on your elbows, and then start turning the crown of your head onto your mat. So you are doing this mild back bend here. This is also a good pose if you have thyroid problems. So it's activating your thyroid. Finding your breath here. Trying to hold on to each one of your breaths a little while longer. Keep in mind that one of your breaths is unique, and since there is never gonna be the exact same kind of breath again, every one of your breaths deserves your full attention. Then slowly, mindfully release from this pose, and we are ready to our Savasana today. So bring your arms on the side of your body. You can have your arms a little bit further from your body, palms up. Also have your feet pointing a little bit outward, so you are able to relax your hips also. Then again, let your breathing, your breath guide you through this final relaxation. So the relaxation of your body is lifting up from your feet all the way to the crown of your head. If there are some tension somewhere in your body, maybe you want to direct your breath into that space a little bit longer and trying to release that tension or sensation, whatever it is. Let it melt away from your body onto your mat, away from you. Also, as you are relaxing, feel how your body weight is starting to feel heavier and heavier, like you are becoming part of your mat as well. Today's thought is going like this. With every breath, the old moment is lost. A new moment arrives. We exhale and we let go of the old moment. It is lost to us. In doing so, we let go of the person we used to be. We inhale and breathe in the moment that is becoming. In doing so, we welcome the person we are becoming. We repeat the process. This is meditation. This is renewal. This is life. You can slowly start to bring a little bit movement into your body. Your fingers, your toes, your ankles, your wrists. Maybe you want to stretch yourself. Maybe you want to hug your knees in. When you are ready, turn onto your right side. Bring your arms under your head so your spine is straight. And stay here for a couple of breaths. Then slowly lift yourself up to seated in a position where you want to end this practice today. Keeping your chest open, your back straight and long. This is your place for gratitude toward the practice that you just did, toward your body. I also want to thank you for sharing this practice with me. You can then lift your palms onto your heart center. Lift your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little pow to say thank you. Namaste. And I see you again next time. And remember, if you haven't already, to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Bye now.